Hi, and welcome to all my future kitchen queens.
Hello my ladies, welcome back to a new video of mine. And in this video I do a Fridgerador challenge. So what does that mean exactly? So I take you on my normal journey that I used to do, not every day but every week I would say, to create recipes from the leftovers from a refrigerator, freezer, or out of my pantry. My friends always tell me that they feel like it's very hard to come up with recipes when they look into their refrigerator. So the next question is mostly, how do you do that? How is it possible that you have such less food waste? Because I'm doing it for such a long time, it comes very natural to me. And in this video, I would like to explain how I do it. So first, what I normally do, what you have saw me doing in the beginning of the video, I put everything that needs to be cooked outside of the refrigerator or pantry or wherever. And then I start thinking about what would go good with each other. For example, the zucchini goes good with rice and also the feta and so on. Sometimes if I can't come up with my own recipe, I Google for recipe ideas and let me inspire. After I found all my recipes, I wing it somehow. So I know how certain spices taste with each other and combination with vegetables, oils, plant-based milk, and so on. But we all have to experiment a bit, and it comes out sometimes not what we expect, but you will be surprised that more often it will taste pretty good. So as more you cook, as more experience you get with the spices and anything else, the more fun you have. I mean, we all start with a following of a recipe, but after a while you create your own recipes to your own taste. So let's start creating your own recipe and make mistakes and learn from them. That's what makes you a chef. And that said, I would like to know if you're already creating your own dishes or you at the testing out phase. Maybe you would like to share one of your favorite recipes that you created. I definitely would like to know, so please let me know in the comments. With that said, I hope you guys liked this video today, and please let me know in the comments, of course, which was your favorite dish that I created today. So for me, it was definitely the mushrooms in combination with the quinoa. It tasted pretty good. I like garlic, I like mushrooms, and the combination, yes, I think the whole family liked it, even my daughter. So that was my favorite dish from today's video. And one bonus, these recipes that I created, they all can be stored in the refrigerator as well, so you can freeze them and take them out on a later date.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you need more vegan recipes, check out my other videos that I have in my channel. And I want to say I'm so happy for everyone joining this Rocker Green Life family. And if you want to be part of it and don't miss out on any future videos that I'm posting, if you want to support this channel, you're only one click away. So hit the subscribe button and join the family. So one important thing I asked you to do, so please, please, please let me know in the comments what future videos you would like to see. So I would say we see each other in my next video. So stay tuned and rock on your green life.